In this lesson, we're going to be talking about your violin. Now, your violin is an instrument that includes both your violin and your bow, but we'll talk about your bow later, so for right now, keep it safely in your case. I want to point out a couple of important parts of your instrument. This black piece of wood here is the fingerboard, and on it rest the 4 strings. The strings are supported by this piece of wood here, which is called the bridge. Over here is your chin rest. I also want to point out the scroll, the 4 pegs, the neck of the violin here, the shoulder of the violin here, the fine tuners. I only have 1, but on your violin you probably have 4. And lastly, the nut of your violin. Now, it's very important that you take care of your instrument. Keep a soft cloth in your violin case at all times, and after you've played your instrument, gently wipe down the strings, wipe down the body of the instrument. Be sure to get in the nooks and crevices to get rid of any extra rosin that might be on the body of the instrument. Be careful not to touch the strings of your violin between the fingerboard and the bridge. Your fingers contain an oil that doesn't mix well with rosin. Be careful not to store your instrument next to a heater or in a hot place like the trunk of a car. You always want to take good care of your instrument and treat it like your best friend.